Ever wonder why Excel seems to be a thorn in the side of so many? It could be because of the vast array of formulas it offers, which, while powerful, can also be quite intimidating. But fear not. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of some of the most common and useful Excel formulas. First up, we have the sum formula, a staple in the Excel formula diet. This formula adds all the numbers in a range of cells. Imagine having a column of numbers, say from A1 to A10. Rather than manually adding them, simply type =sum A1 a 10 into the cell where you want the total to appear and hit enter. Just like that, Excel does the addition for you. Next on the list is average. This formula calculates the average of a range of cells. Following the same example, if you want to find the average of the numbers from A1 to A10, type =average, a 1, a 10, into the cell where you want the average to appear. Hit enter and voila, your average is calculated. Then we have the count formula. This one counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Suppose you want to count how many cells from A1 to A10 contain numbers. Type =count, A1 a 10, into the cell where you want the count to appear, hit enter, and there you have it. Your count is ready. Moving on to the IF formula. This one is a bit more complex, but equally useful. The IF formula checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if it's true, and another if it's false. For example, if you want to check if the number in cell A1 is greater than 5, you would type $if A1 5 yes, no, and hit enter. If the number is greater than 5, yes will appear. If not, no will appear. Lastly, let's tackle the VLOOKUP formula. It's a powerful tool that lets you find things in a table or a range by row. For instance, if you have a list of students with their grades in column A and B, and you want to find the grade of a specific student, you can use the VLOOKUP formula. Type a VLOOKUP student's name, A1, B10 2, false, and hit enter. This will return the grade of the specific student. To recap, today we've learned about the sum, average, count, if, and VLOOKUP formulas in Excel. Remember, the sum formula adds up all the numbers in a range of cells. The average formula calculates the average of a range of cells. The count formula counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. The IF formula checks a condition and returns one value if it's true and another if it's false. And the VLOOKUP formula lets you find things in a table or a range by row. By mastering these formulas, you can harness the power of Excel and turn it from a thorn in your side to a powerful ally in your data analysis endeavors. So, don't shy away from Excel formulas. Embrace them, practice them, and watch as they transform your Excel experience.